Welcome to Deep Kiran Classes of Commerce and Expert Coaching with Guaranteed Success. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.
Today we are going to do the last sum of retirement of a partner. Okay, sum number 5 on page number 186. Shah, Lodha and Dole are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4:3:3. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2019 is as given below. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2019. See, liabilities and assets, amount. Now balance sheet on the liability side we'll see. Sundry creditors 20,000, bills payable 4,000, capital accounts Shah 45,000, Lodha for 35,000, Dole 27,000. Asset side cash 9,000, sundry debtors 10,000, less RDD outer column 9,000, furniture 25,000, computers 43,000, vehicle 45,000. The total of balance sheet is 1,31,000. On 1st April 2019, Mr. Lodha retires from the firm on the following terms. Now goodwill is to be valued at the average profits and losses of last 5 years which are given to you. So see, 15 in the year 2015, 35,000, 216, 20,000, 17, 30,000, 18, 20,000, rupees 20,000 and 19 rupees 25,000. We will see the working and then I'll explain you in the working. Then computers to be depreciated at 10% where you are going to take profit and loss adjustment account debit side because it is depreciation. Furniture to be revalued at rupees 27,500. That means appreciation by 2,500. Then vehicle to be appreciated by 20%. Okay. On rupees 45,000, 20% will come to 9,000. RDD is no longer required. So RDD also will come in profit and loss adjustment account credit side. Now Shah and Dole will share their future profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. So no need of calculations. So they have straightway given to you the new profit sharing ratio. So 2:1. It was decided that goodwill will not appear in the books of the new firm and the amount payable to Lodha will be transferred to his loan account. Here two adjustments they have said in number 7. One, that goodwill will not appear in the books of accounts, that is goodwill is raised, given to the retiring partner and then it is to be written off. And the second adjustment, that he is not paid immediately the amount payable to Lodha, instead it is kept as loan account. So here we have, okay, now we will see the working. Now we are going to see the working note of sum number 5th which we have read out just now. See, working note. Here also the average profit is equal to total profit upon total number of years. What were the profits? First year 35,000, second year 20,000, third year 30,000, fourth year 20,000 and last year 25,000. So this upon how many years? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 years. So total of this comes to 1,30,000 divided by 5 years. So average profit is equal to how much the firm is earning? 26,000. Okay. 26,000 is the average profit. Now goodwill is equal to average profit only. Whatever the average profit, that is the value of goodwill. So average profit is equal to goodwill. Now we have distributed the goodwill to the to the retiring partner. Okay, so goodwill account debit Shah 10,400, Lodha 7,800 and Dole 7,800. This is the value of goodwill given to all the three partners. Now after retiring of Lodha, this goodwill is to be written off and the ratio is given to you as 2:1. Okay, so what will be the journal entry? Shah's capital account debit 7,350, Dole's capital account debit 7,650. Is it clear to you? To goodwill account. Now the above goodwill debit and this goodwill will not appear in the books of accounts. Is it clear to you? The working, I'll be starting with profit and loss adjustment account, partners capital account and the new balance sheet. Okay, first we are going to see profit and loss adjustment account. What do we write here now? Appreciation on asset on the credit side, depreciation on the asset on the debit side. Okay, so appreciation on furniture, vehicle and no RDD no longer required will be written on the credit side. So by furniture, depreciation was at the rate of 10% of rupees 25,000, that has come to 2,500. फर्नीचर कितने का था? 25,000 का था, उस पे 10% depreciation 2,500. Sorry, appreciation, not depreciation, appreciation. Then by vehicle, there is appreciation by 20%. How much? 45,000 per 20%, 9,000. Abhi debtors, all the debtors are good. No RDD is required. तो by RDD 1,000. ठीक है. सिर्फ हमारे depreciation कहाँ पर है? On the computers. The depreciation is on the computers and the value of computers is 43,000. 10% of that 4,300. Credit side देखो. On the credit side, the total comes to 12,500 minus 4,300. The balance will be revaluation profit. Okay, that is to be shared in the ratio of how much? How much the sum has said? 4:3:3. Okay. So Shah's profit will be 3,280. Lodha's 2,460, Dole's 2,460. Total is 8,200. This revaluation profit we are going to write on the credit side of capital account. Now we'll be moving on to capital accounts. See, as per the balances given to you in the balance sheet. Okay, Shah 45,000. Lodha 25,000, Dole 27,000. Then goodwill. Goodwill was raised by rupees 26,000. So goodwill account debit to all the partners account. So Shah's share 10,400, Lodha's 7,800, Dole's 7,800. Now what the sum has said, the goodwill is to be written off in the continuing partners. Who are the continuing partners? Shah and Dole are the continuing partners and Lodha is retiring. So now what will happen? Continuing partners, that is Shah's capital account debit 17,350, Dole's capital account debit 8,650, to goodwill account 26,000. हमने क्या किया था? Now goodwill raise की थी 26,000 की and we have written off. ठीक है. Then there is revaluation profit 3,280, 2,460, 2,460. Now nothing is given. So we will first close the retiring partners capital account. Lodha is the retiring partner. His capital on the credit side comes to 45,260. Write it to Lodha's loan account because that they are not giving in the cash or not giving back the capital, they are keeping it as the loan. So that comes to 45,260. balance kar lo ye 45,260. Now we will close the Dhole's account. Dhole's total comes to 37,270 minus 8,650. So what will be the remaining amount? 28,610. Write it. To balance carried down 28,610. Total kar lo. What will be the total? 37,260. Now we will close Shah's account. Shah's total on the credit side comes to 58,680 minus 17,350. The remaining is balance carried down 41,330. Okay, these balances we are going to show it on the balance sheet liability side as capitals. Okay, here we have completed partners capital account. Now new balance sheet as on 1st April 2019. Liabilities amount, assets amount. Now we'll see the credit side. Credit side 20,000. Okay, sundry creditors 20,000. Bills payable 4,000. No change in the value of liabilities. Now Lodha's capital is kept as loan. That comes to 45,260. यहाँ पर देखो और यहाँ पर देखो. See this and this. Okay. Then capital account Shah 41,330 and Dole 28,610. See, the total is 69,940. Liability side we have completed. Now we'll move to asset side. Cash, there is no change in the value of cash, 9,000 as it is. But there is change in the debtors. Debtors first were 10,000 minus RDD was there 1,000. Now that is not required. So total are 10,000 only debtors. Then furniture, value as per the given balance sheet 25,000. Add appreciation at the rate of 10%, 2,500. That comes to 27,500. Then vehicle in the given balance sheet 45,000. Add appreciation at the rate of 20%, that is 9,000. If you total up, it will come to 54,000. Computers 45,000. Okay, less depreciation at the rate of 10% comes to 4,300. If you minus it, the total outer column will be 38,700. Okay, now here we have completed the asset side also, and if you total up, the total will come to 1,39,200, 1,39,200. Here we have completed the last sum number 5 of this chapter, and we have come to the end of this chapter.